Imagine a world without zero. No placeholders in mathematics, no concept of nothingness, no algebra, calculus, or modern computing. It's almost impossible to envision our advanced technological society without zero. Yet, this crucial concept was a revolutionary invention that has its roots in ancient India. The story of zero begins more than 1,500 years ago. Ancient Indian mathematicians were exploring the abstract world of numbers, aiming to solve complex problems and compute large sums. It was during this pursuit that the concept of zero as both a symbol and a number came into being. The earliest recorded use of zero dates back to the 3rd century AD in the Bakshali manuscript, an ancient Indian mathematical text. Zero, at its core, represents the absence of quantity. However, its adoption required a profound philosophical transition. For example, the notion of shunya, which means void or emptiness in Sanskrit, was already present in Indian philosophy and spiritual traditions. Integrating this idea into mathematics, ancient Indian scholars like Aryabhata and Brahmagupta transformed zero from a philosophical concept into a practical tool for computation. Aryabhata, in the 5th century, used a dot to signify an empty place in his place-value system. But it was Brahmagupta in the 7th century who clearly defined the rules for using zero in arithmetic operations. He demonstrated how zero could interact with other numbers, setting the foundation for future mathematical advances. Brahmagupta described zero as a number which, when added or subtracted from another number, leaves the original number unchanged. This was not just a numeral, it was a transformative mathematical innovation. The significance of zero didn't remain confined to India. The knowledge of zero spread across the Islamic world, where mathematicians further developed and refined its use. Muslim scholars translated Indian mathematical texts into Arabic and introduced their own contributions. Al-Khwarizmi, a Persian mathematician in the 9th century, synthesized Indian and Greek mathematical ideas, including zero, in his works. His book on algebra, Kitab al-Jabr, which means the Book of Restoration and Balancing, played a crucial role in popularizing zero across the Islamic world and beyond. Zero eventually made its way to Europe through the works of scholars in the Islamic world. In the 12th century, Fibonacci, an Italian mathematician, encountered zero and the Hindu-Arabic numeral system during his travels in North Africa. In his seminal book, Liber Abaci, Fibonacci introduced zero to the European audience. Despite initial resistance, zero's practicality in calculations eventually led to its widespread acceptance. The dissemination of zero had profound implications for mathematics and science. Zero is indispensable in the place-value number system, which is the foundation of arithmetic. It enabled the development of algebra, allowing mathematicians to solve equations and explore abstract concepts. Additionally, the introduction of zero was crucial for the advancement of calculus, which is essential for understanding changes and motion in the natural world. In modern times, the significance of zero extends beyond mathematics. Computers, the backbone of our digital age, operate on binary code, a system that uses just two symbols, 0 and 1. Without zero, the entire framework of computing would collapse. Zero also plays a pivotal role in engineering, physics, economics, and many other fields. Reflecting on the journey of zero from ancient India to its current global importance, we recognize it as more than just a number. It embodied a radical shift in thinking, transcending cultural boundaries and fostering advancements that have shaped the modern world. Zero revolutionized mathematics, and in doing so, it transformed society itself. So the next time you encounter a zero, whether in a mathematical equation or a digital device, Remember its origins in the ancient Indian philosophies of Shunya, its refinement in the Islamic world, and its eventual adoption in Europe. This simple yet profound concept has been a cornerstone of human progress, demonstrating how a single idea can reshape our understanding and capabilities. Zero, the symbol of nothing, truly represents an infinite potential for discovery and innovation. Please subscribe for more history of intellectual concepts.